The next question is, I want to take the same thing again because I want to make 20 meters conveyor, right? So I'll have to join these two. But these are joined. These can be joined like this, right? We need to provide some additional parts to make them join together, right? So I like that way. Now I got 5 meters. Just stranger it is, you can see the length. This is a 5 meter. Okay. So now I got only 10 meters now. So I need to get to. Sorry, not like that. Press on the control key and drag your sub-assembly like this way. Okay, keep them like that. The question is how these can be joined together. Okay, okay. For that we'll have to measure these two. 250. Fine. Okay, let's make them. I'll add one more part. Okay, rotate front plane. 250. Make sure this line and this line are equal to each other, and this distance is 50, not 25. Now it is okay. Exit control 7. Go to sheet metal. Basement. Make sure these all parts. Okay, how can I change the dimension? Direction? Yeah, this is fine. Radius, bend radius, I can choose the 6 mm itself. Length I will keep 500 for joining, right? Okay, now I need a few holes on this. Okay, so how can I make that holes? 4 holes for making joint of one stringer. Okay, okay, 85. Okay, from here to here, I'll keep 70, 200. Okay, okay, I'll use a little heavy bolts here. I'll go for M16 also. It is not enough. I'll go for M20 also. Okay, okay. I'll make a few holes here also. Hole positions at this point. Okay, like this way. Okay, 80, 200, 80, 200. Okay, what I'll do, I'll go back to this type and depth. I'll make it 2 all. Click on OK. Okay, This is a joining plate, joint plate. Okay, you can see our joint plate is located right here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just select this and inside this line. Coincidence. Select this line and this face and this face. That's it. And the next thing what I can do is select this and this. Okay. Still these can move each other, but whenever you given coincidence relation between these two, that's it. Okay, here what I want to do is delete this subassembly. Delete this subassembly too. These ones. Okay, take one plate, opposite direction. Okay, what is the length, right? So 500. Okay, select this distance 50. Now what I want to do is I'll just use a linear pattern for this entire subassembly. Sorry, components. Entire subassembly and this one. Direction one. I'll choose any reference.